Welcome to Build Mystery, where the world's most advanced industrial powerhouses come alive. Today, we're stepping inside the machines that forge steel without flame, recycle mountains of waste, shape metal with brutal force, weld at the molecular level, clean with lasers, build pipelines, finish textiles, engineer entire steel plants, and move freight with no driver at all. Before we begin, hit subscribe, turn on notifications, and stand by. Because what you're about to see isn't the future. It's already working behind closed doors. This is Klingelnberg, one of the world's leading names in precision gear technology. Founded in Germany, the company engineers systems that shape the backbone of heavy industry, automotive powertrains, aerospace components, and energy machinery. Their machines don't guess. They measure, cut, and finish gears with micrometer accuracy. Advanced CNC controls and automated inspection systems ensure every tooth is perfectly aligned for maximum torque and zero failure. Klingelnberg's bevel gear cutting centers and measuring platforms integrate robotics, digital calibration, and real-time feedback to deliver flawless performance at industrial speed. When industries need absolute precision under extreme loads, they don't improvise. They use Klingelnberg. This is Retourmatras, a Dutch company leading the recycling of discarded mattresses at an industrial scale. Instead of sending massive foam and metal waste to landfills, they break it down with specialized processing lines built for speed and accuracy. The system starts with automated conveyors that separate textiles, foam, and steel springs. Robotic cutters slice through dense layers in seconds, while powerful shredders reduce materials into reusable fragments. Every component is sorted, cleaned, and sent back into manufacturing cycles. Retourmatras doesn't just dispose, it transforms. Their facilities process thousands of mattresses per day, recovering up to 90% of the material with minimal energy use. In a world drowning in waste, this machine doesn't pause. It reclaims. This is Anyang Forging Press, one of the largest manufacturers of industrial forging equipment in the world. Based in China, the company builds machines that shape metal under extreme force with absolute control. Their hydraulic and pneumatic presses deliver thousands of tons of pressure in a single strike. Heated steel billets are placed beneath the ram, and with one controlled impact, the metal is transformed into gears, axles, flanges, and aerospace components with perfect density. Precision valves, automated feeders, and digital force monitoring keep every cycle consistent. These systems run non-stop in factories that demand high volume and zero defects. When raw metal needs to become something stronger, faster, and engineered for stress, Anyang Forging Press delivers the hit that makes it happen. This is Pestan, a global manufacturer specializing in advanced piping and drainage systems. Based in Serbia, the company engineers high-performance solutions for water supply, heating, sewage, and industrial infrastructure. Their production lines use automated extrusion, multi-layer molding, and laser calibration to create pipes that withstand pressure, corrosion, and temperature shifts. Every segment is tested for tight seals and long-term durability. From polypropylene and PVC to cutting-edge multi-layer composites, Pestan systems are built for silent flow, clean installation, and rapid assembly in massive projects. Their technology supports residential towers, hospitals, factories, and transport networks across dozens of countries. When infrastructure needs reliability buried in every connection, Pestan delivers the pipeline that never quits. This is P-Laser, a Belgian company leading the evolution of industrial laser cleaning. They build pulsed laser systems ranging from 50 watts to 3,000 watts in portable units, trolley setups, inline systems, and heavy cube configurations. Here's how it works. The laser fires bursts of infrared light at surface contaminants. Rust, paint, and oil absorb the energy, vaporize instantly, and separate from the material beneath. The base surface stays untouched. P-laser machines integrate scanning optics, safety sensors, and intelligent control software to maintain speed and consistency. With patented technology and global deployment, their systems outperform chemical and abrasive methods with ease. When industries demand precision cleaning with zero damage and zero waste, P-laser delivers. It doesn't just remove the problem, it resets the surface with power and accuracy. This is Baileigh, a U.S. manufacturer known for heavy-duty metalworking and woodworking machinery built for serious production. Their lineup includes press brakes, lathes, CNC routers, tube and pipe benders, shears, bandsaws, and roll formers. Each machine is engineered to cut, bend, shape, or finish materials with industrial precision. Here's how it works. The operator loads metal or wood into the system. High-torque motors, hardened tooling, and rigid frames apply controlled force. Mechanical stops, digital controls, or hydraulic systems keep every movement accurate and repeatable. Baileigh focuses on power, durability, and consistency. Their machines run long hours, handle tough materials, and deliver exact results in fabrication shops around the world. When production demands strength, accuracy, and reliability in one platform, Baileigh delivers machinery that gets the job done without hesitation. This is Tex-Inter, a Russian company specializing in industrial textile finishing and material processing equipment. Their machines handle dyeing, coating, calendaring, lamination, and finishing steps for fabrics, nonwovens, films, and technical textiles. Every process is formulated for precision, efficiency, and scalability. Here's how it works. Raw textile or film enters a controlled treatment zone. Heat, pressure, chemicals, or rollers depending on desired outcome. Sensors monitor temperature, tension, speed. Automated rollers and applicators adjust in real time to maintain uniform quality. Tex-Inter's systems integrate digital control, modular design, and energy recovery units to maximize throughput and lower waste. They deliver high-capacity lines that adapt across product ranges and materials. When textile manufacturers demand consistency, speed, and adaptability in finishing, Tex-Inter machines deliver the edge. It doesn't just process fabric, it elevates it to specification, batch after batch. This is MTI, a global leader in friction welding technology. They build machines that join metal parts without melting a single layer. Friction welding is a solid-state process. Two components are pressed together while one rotates or moves at high speed. The friction creates intense heat at the surface. The material softens, bonds, and forms a permanent joint under pressure. MTI designs rotary, linear, and low-force friction welders equipped with automated controls, force sensors, and real-time monitoring. Every weld is precise, repeatable, and built to handle extreme loads. The result is cleaner than fusion welding, with no filler metals, minimal distortion, and superior structural strength. When aerospace, automotive, and energy industries need metal joints they can't afford to fail, they turn to MTI. It doesn't just weld, it forges connections at the molecular level. This is SMS Group, a German giant in steel, aluminum, and copper plant engineering. For more than a century, they've built the machinery and systems that power global metal production. Their technology covers everything from casting and rolling to heat treatment, forging, and automation. These are full-scale industrial plants designed to take raw metal and shape it into plates, coils, beams, and precision components. Here's how it works. Molten or solid metal moves through converters, continuous casters, and rolling mills. Massive rollers, hydraulic presses, and digital control systems apply force, pressure, and heat with exact timing. Sensors and robotics track every stage to improve efficiency and minimize waste. SMS Group also develops digital platforms that monitor energy use and emissions, making heavy industry smarter and cleaner. When global manufacturing needs stronger metals produced at massive scale, SMS Group provides the machines that make it possible. This is the Einride T-Pod, a fully electric autonomous transport vehicle built for efficiency and sustainability. Designed by Swedish mobility innovator Einride, the T-Pod eliminates the driver's cabin entirely. It runs on batteries, electric motors, advanced sensors, and AI control systems. Here's how it works. Load goods into its cargo bay. The vehicle's LiDAR, radar, cameras, and GPS mapping systems handle navigation. Onboard AI makes split-second decisions, lane changes, braking, speed control, with zero human intervention. Its electrified drivetrain delivers smooth torque instantly. The lightweight frame and optimized aerodynamics enable lower energy consumption per kilometer. Night operations, logistic hubs, warehouses, T-Pod fits them all. When fleets demand lower emissions, safer roads, and fully autonomous freight, the T-Pod delivers. It's not just a truck, it's the future of transport, already on the move. From metal-shaping titans to autonomous freight and laser-cleaning precision, these machines don't just exist, they redefine what industry can do. If you want more breakthroughs like this, like the video, drop a comment and subscribe to Build Mystery.